In this quick Python tip, I'll show you how you can use assert in place of if-else block, which will make the code concise and simpler. Let's start. Suppose you have a function which checks whether the given number is positive or not. As you can see in the code, if the number is positive, it will print the given number is a positive number. Else it will give the value error and print the number must be positive. Now let's take the example and see output. Here we have taken number 10, which is the positive number, while in other case we have taken a number -5, that is negative number. Now let's run the code. As you can see, if the number is positive, it gives the output, number is positive. In case of negative number, it is giving value error that the number must be positive. This works perfectly fine, but let's see how we can make it more concise and Pythonic. Now let's take the same example with the use of assert and see the output. It gives the same output. The assert statement allows you to enforce a condition and raise an assertion error if the condition is not met, as you can see in the output. With assert, the code is cleaner and easier to read. It's perfect for quick checks where you expect certain conditions to always be true during development. So, which one should you use? If-else gives you more control and is ideal for situations where the condition is integral to your program's logic. But if you're looking for a quick and clean way to validate assumptions, assert is the way to go. For more such type of Python tips and tricks, please subscribe the channel.